Yo, what is going on, guys? Tiburon Vlogs here. My name is Winter and welcome back to another car video. So today we have LEDs for the inside of the car. I'm so excited because I literally just got my side skirts in and 2 days later these arrive. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. So here are the LEDs. Let's go ahead and take those out. And check that out. That's pretty cool looking. As you can see, they have a bunch of different strips of lights with adhesive on them, and somehow you just mount them into the car. I'm guessing through that right there. Let's go ahead and take these out of the packaging and take a better look at them. Alright, so the cool thing about these is I got them pretty cheap. I think they were $8 plus shipping for the set, and hopefully the quality is good, so that's pretty cool. It looks like, from what I can tell, you just take that and you plug it into your car charger port, and then this turns it on into that box right there. Okay, that's pretty simple. And then you got your normal little LED light, you know, your typical stuff. So let's go ahead and go to the car and plug this in and make sure everything works good. Alright, so the car is looking a lot better. I actually have room to move around and get under my seats because I am going to be mounting them where your feet go, and I've got to get down on the ground. I'm not too excited about that, but we'll make it work. So let's get some footage of that. Alright guys, so the LEDs are finally installed. It literally took like maybe 10 minutes. It was really easy, but let's go ahead and get a clip. This is going to be my first reaction seeing them actually into the car, and I'm so excited. Alright guys, let's press the button and turn them on. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah, Gavin's here. He's the one who put the welcome mat in my car. Hell yeah. But man, that looks awesome. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Little strobe or whatever. Let's see whatever color that is. Yeah. That looks amazing, and for $8, you can't beat this. I highly recommend it to anybody wanting this. This is a Wish part. I will link it down in the description. Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and edit this and drop it today. I'm so excited. And tell me what you want to see from me. Comment down below, like and subscribe to the channel, and just tell me what you want to see from me, any ideas you have for videos, and if you need any information, just text in the comments and I'll let you know. Alright guys, so I'm editing the video right now, and for some reason a lot of the footage got corrupted and just messed up, so I don't have as much footage as I wanted to. I do apologize for that, but I do hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.